There are some journeys that you plan, and then there are journeys that somehow call you. For me, this was one of those. This trip to Tirupati wasn't just another destination on the map, it was about experiencing one of the most sacred places in India. A place where millions of people come every year with faith, hope, gratitude, and countless prayers. So today I am taking you along with me to visit the divine home of Lord Venkateshwara. Reaching Tirumala itself feels like a part of pilgrimage. The roads wind through the beautiful Seshachalam hills with greenery all around. Every turn offers another breathtaking view. Some devotees even choose to walk all the way up the hills as an act of devotion. Watching them reminded me that every person here carries a different story, a different prayer, and a different reason for coming. Yet, all the roads lead to the same destination. Tirupati is located in the state of Andhra Pradesh and is the home of famous Tirumala temple dedicated to Lord Venkateshwara, who is believed to be an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. It's considered one of the richest and most visited temples in the world. Every single day, thousands of devotees wait patiently for hours, sometimes even the entire day, just for a few precious seconds of darshana. And somehow, everyone says it's worth it. Cameras aren't allowed inside the temple, so some experiences can only stay in our memories. But standing here, surrounded by thousands of devotees chanting together, is something that's difficult to describe in words. After hours of waiting, the moment of darshan lasts only few seconds. Yet, somehow, those few seconds stay with you much longer. Maybe that's the beauty of faith. Sometimes it isn't about how long you see something, but how deeply you feel it. After the darshana, we spent some time exploring the surroundings. The fresh mountain air, the peaceful atmosphere, and the constant sound of devotional chants made the entire place feel incredibly calm. Sometimes, travel isn't about seeing new places, it's more about feeling something new within yourself. No visit to Tirupati feels complete without the famous Tirupati Laddu. It's more than just a sweet. For devotees, it's prasadam, a blessing carried back home. It's amazing how something so simple can hold so much of meaning for millions of people. On second day, we visited the replica of Tirupati Balaji and also the ISKCON temple. Brings us to the end of this beautiful journey. I hope this vlog gave you a small glimpse into the experience of visiting Tirupati Balaji. If you have been here before, I'd love to know what this place means to you. And if this is in your bucket list, I truly hope you get to experience it someday. Thank you so much for coming along with me. Until the next adventure, take care and keep exploring.